Hey everyone, Cameron here with Boomer Health Group, and this video is going to cover the additional benefits that come with Medicare Advantage plans. So these additional benefits are really what's going to be additional to original Medicare. So if you choose to go with a Medicare Advantage plan and you get more of a limited narrow of doctors and hospitals that you can go to, one of the things that does come with that are additional benefits that are not covered by original Medicare. So one of the big ones that everyone talks about is dental coverage. You can see here with a Medicare Advantage plan, this is an actual example that you get preventative dental included. So you'll get two cleanings, one dental x-ray, and two exams per year included in your plan at no cost. You can get other limited dental services, but it doesn't cover too much. You can see here and talk to the plan and talk to us if you want to know more specifics. But again, dental is a big thing that is not covered by Medicare, that is typically covered in some form by Medicare Advantage plans. Also, you can see vision coverage. So with the vision, you usually get another exam that's covered at no cost, and then you have some allowance towards eyeglasses or contacts. But dental and vision make up the bulk of the questions that people have as to what additional benefits are out there with Medicare Advantage plans. So now I'm just going to talk about some other ones. I would say the other big one is that typically Medicare Advantage plans will come with silver sneakers or a free gym membership, so you can go to fitness centers in your area at little to no cost. The other benefits or additional benefits are international emergency coverage. So, original Medicare does not cover you outside the US, whereas typically with a Medicare Advantage plan, you will just have to pay a copay if you have emergency services outside of the country. Now, there's a lot of limitations, stipulations with that. If you have to get medevaced back to the US, that will not be covered by Medicare Advantage plans or Medicare. So go to our travel section. We have more on the details for if you're going on international trips, but just know that there is some limited coverage for emergencies with Medicare Advantage plans that normal Medicare would not cover. And then also, Medicare Advantage plans will cover physicals at no cost. So, a lot of people think that Medicare, because they cover a wellness visit, it covers a physical. And that's not true. A wellness visit is not a physical. A physical is typically more in depth where you have some tests run, maybe you have a blood sample, and again, just more in depth. So that is not covered for free on Medicare, and it's not covered by Medicare, so you would have to pay out of pocket for that. Whereas a wellness visit is covered by Medicare, and that's more you go to the doctor for the first time of the year and you talk about how everything's going, talk about your health, and try to plan for the future or what may be going on in your life, but it doesn't involve the more in-depth testing and blood draws. So just know that sometimes if you go to the doctor, they may code a physical as a wellness visit, or they may there's different codings that they can do. So talk to the doctor if you're curious about it and say, how are you going to bill Medicare for this service? And they may say, oh, we'll just do it as a yearly wellness visit. So therefore, Medicare would cover it. I don't want to get too into detail here because it is kind of confusing, but just know that Medicare Advantage plans will cover physicals and wellness visits, whereas original Medicare just covers the yearly Welcome to Medicare wellness visit. The other thing you can see here is that Medicare Advantage benefits may be expanding. So this is for 2020, and it's something that's been thrown around a lot from the new administration. Basically, plans are going to be able to start covering more non-medical services. You can see here diabetes education, even carpet cleaning. I've seen other ones where they'll cover like safety equipment in your home, whether it's a handlebar for the shower, like shower grips here, wheelchair ramps. They may cover meals that are delivered to your house. Some may cover transportation now, and others will even give you an allowance to use at pharmacies or health stores to get additional, over-the-counter medications or use it for band-aids and other incidentals. So just know that just because it's something that may be covered does not mean plans have to cover it. So just because Blue Cross, for example, can cover all this stuff does not mean that their 2020 plans will cover it. So if you're curious about any of these extra additional benefits, like the new ones for 2020, let us know and we can try to see if there's any plan in your area that may be covering this. I can tell you it is pretty rare right now. We haven't seen any yet that are covering the safety equipment, the meals, the carpet cleanings, but it's something to be aware of that it may progress this way in the future. So for now, Medicare Advantage plans, they cover better international emergencies, they cover physicals and wellness visits, they cover dental and vision coverage, and a gym membership. And in the future, they may be including more non medical services, such as what is discussed in this article. And I'll link to this article on the webpage so that way you can get an idea for it. But thank you for watching and have a good day.